And they say it causes cancer or some sort of that if you disturb it or what. Ow. Yo, what is up, you guys? Very good morning to you. Early morning. So yeah, thank you guys very much for coming back to the vlog. As you guys watched the previous vlog, I disassembled the, what do you call this, my greenhouse and my aquaponics. So dahil dun is lilipat kami ng bahay. Yeah, it's a good timing to get for my sister to get the new house, and it was an opportunity of a lifetime for them. And it just makes sense right now with the economy just starting and the price of the houses are low. Yeah, they have a chance to get their own house, and they did. So right now I'm headed there. I've been there since yesterday. I just need the tools from my brother's-in-law's van. So I was there yesterday. Nalis ko na yung carpet, baseboard, and what. And right now I'm going back there to get the, I don't know what you call that, the cushion under the carpet. Saka yung mga staples. But yeah, this is gonna be a do-it-yourself project since my brother-in-law is a carpenter anyway. He has the experience enough to do this stuff. So I'm just helping them out and do whatever I could do. But yeah, I want to help my sister first before I go back to the Philippines or go back to work as well. Holy moly, it's cold. Wow. Okay, temperature's dropping. But yeah, that's the plan today. And, I'll meet you there. Alright. Alright guys, so we're here at the new house. Man, these tools are heavy. But yeah, I'm just gonna get these tools inside. As you guys could see, there's a big trash can here. These are the carpet that I removed yesterday. These are the old carpet. Like, these are the thick one. I don't know what year was it. I think it's 1970 something. But yeah, let me get this open and give you guys a tour. And alright, so this is the new house kitchen, but it's old. So we're completely renovating everything here, and I'm gonna give you guys an update on that after we build it. And look at this, guys. This is one of the oldest dishwasher I ever seen, but it's freaking clean. Look at that. It still has its own manual. Where can you find those kind of stuff, eh? And these are the old school oven. And I mean, the people that live here made this house really spotless clean, and it was taken care of properly. So yeah, this I took out yesterday, the carpet outside. This is the one that I'm gonna do today. This is the living room, and as you guys can see, there's a big wall right there, and the plan is to completely remove that, put an island in there, and yun, gagawin natin yan. And itong floor na to gagawing hardwood. Nalimutan ko kung anong wood yung gagamitin eh. So yeah, even the stairs going up to the 3 bedrooms up there, my room's gonna be somewhere there. And this is the, I call it the red room. It's really nice though, but this is a really good area, as you guys could see. I love the fireplace. Old school din yan. Pwede mo lang gamitin is yung kahoy lang, And I don't know kung lalagyan nila ng gas line or what. Which are technically what is now. The basement, of course, but nothing is in there. So yeah, let's start working. I took out the baseboard already yesterday. As you guys could see, there's no more baseboard. I'm just gonna take this stuff apart and throw it outside. Alright, let's get working. Alright, nalis ko na yung underlay ng carpet. So ito yung yung soft, it's like a cushion or something like that. Yeah, it's para siyang cushion na it makes the carpet soft when you lay on them or kneel down or whatever. But yeah, this scraper, ito yung scraper na tinatawag nila. Pangalis ito ng ng staples na nasa floor na nag-hold ito. So, if you guys could see, there are lots of staples on the side. Just run it, and the staples come out. Pretty neat tool. Right? So yeah, let's continue the work. Alright, so technically I'm almost done. I just need a little bit more cleaning and what. Unfortunately, that the vacuum that my brother-in-law gave me is, it's pushing more air rather than pulling it. So everything's getting in my eyes. I'm like, I'm gonna get another vacuum. But yeah, I think that's as much as I could do for now, and sila nang bahala dito bukas. Ang plan nila tomorrow is take this wall apart, and pero lalagyan muna nila ng seal. I think, if I understand correctly, is they're gonna seal this entire kitchen out. Kasi being an old house, meron daw infestes. I don't know what that is, and they say it cause cancer or some sort of that if you disturb it or what. But that's what you get when you have an old house. But in a way, it is still in a good condition, and that thing, as long that you take care of it properly and you do the work correctly, it should be okay, as they say. They know more of that rather than me, because they've been dealing with it for a long time. Pero okay naman they have the hardware here. Look at this, guys. This is a maple wood, hardwood. So this is the one that they're gonna be using. It's really nice. Nice finish and what. And yeah, kailangan namin ng 52 of these. 52 boxes, and it's gonna be going this way, and the entire kitchen and the living area It's gonna be hardwood the whole way and the whole way going down. But in the room, we're just gonna use, I think there was a laminate or laminate vinyl. I don't know which one, whichever. But yun ang gagawin nila. Hopefully I could help next weekend after my work, and I don't know. I'm gonna try to work. I'm gonna try to help them as much as I can. But yeah, everything is good as I could, or everything that I could do here is done. Yeah, and I think that's it. What I could do right now. I'm gonna leave this room, just as it is for now, so that we have a place to, hang out when we're working and the kids as well. But anyway, guys, do something productive, but don't forget to live. Deuces.